How to fix DeepSeek website or app not working. Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel. So in this video, I'll be showing you how to fix DeepSeek website or app if it's not working. If you're experiencing any issues, stick around because I've got some easy solutions to try. So first up, make sure your internet connection is stable. Whether you're on Wi-Fi or mobile data, poor connectivity could be causing the issue. If your connection is fine, move on to the next step. So the next step would be to simply refresh the page or restart the app. Sometimes a simple refresh is all it takes. So go ahead and reload the website or close and restart the app to see if that fixes the problem. Now next, you can go ahead and try different browsers. Different browsers sometimes causes issues with website or apps. So if you're using one browser, try another like Chrome, Firefox or Safari to see if DeepSeek loads correctly. Now another common fix is simply clearing your browser cache and cookies. So here's how you can clear cache and cookies. Go ahead and open settings. Inside settings, scroll all the way to the bottom and then tap on apps. Inside apps, you want to go ahead and search for the browser. In my case, it's Safari. So once you tap on Safari, you want to go ahead and scroll all the way to the bottom and then simply tap on Clear History and Website Data. And then simply tap on Clear History. This often solves loading issues. Now next up, if you have any browser extension, they might be interfering with the website. So try disabling them temporarily and see if that helps DeepSeek work properly. Now sometimes the issue isn't DeepSeek's ends. Head over to home screen, open the browser, in the search bar go ahead and search for Down Detector and check DeepSeek's official social media channels to see if there are any reported outage. Also make sure that you're using the latest version of app or browser. Updates often come with bug fixes and can solve unexpected issues. So after you try all of this, if you're still having issues, you want to go ahead and restart your device. So once you restart your device, you'll then be able to solve your problem. And that's it for today's video, guys. I hope one of these steps helped you get DeepSeek up and running again. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials. Thank you all for watching the video till the very end and stay tuned until our next upload.